Hello friends, in our last video we saw how to represent rational numbers and some irrational numbers. In this video let us solve some questions related to them. So here is our first question. In this problem we have to find any 5 rational numbers between -1 and -2 and plot them on the number line. First let us consider -2 and -1 on the number line. Now to find 5 numbers between -2 and -1, we have to divide the line segment between -2 and -1 into at least 6 parts. For convenience, let us consider 6 equal parts. As the length of the line segment between -2 and -1 is 1 unit, the length of each part will be 1 by 6 units. So the first point will be -2 plus 1 by 6, which is -11 by 6. Similarly, the second point will be -2 plus 2 by 6, since these are the 2 parts out of the total 6 parts. And the point will be -10 by 6. Similarly, we can find all the remaining 4 points, and they are these. So friends, I hope you understood the solution. Now, let's move on to our next question, a little bit tougher. In this problem, we have to find any 4 rational numbers in between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 and plot them on the number line. To solve this question, first consider 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 on the number line. Now, we have to find any 4 rational numbers between these two numbers, which implies that we have to divide the line segment between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 into at least 5 parts. Now, as the length of the line segment between 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 is 1 by 7 units, the length of each part will be 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 7, which is 1 by 35 units. So, the length of each part in this line segment is 1 by 35 units. So, this number is 3 by 7 plus 1 by 35, which is 16 by 35. Similarly, the remaining 3 numbers are 17 by 35, 18 by 35 and 19 by 35. This is how we can find any number of rational numbers between any 2 rational numbers. Always remember, the number by which we divide the gap between 2 rational numbers is at least 1 more than the number of rational numbers we have to find. As we have solved questions on representing rational numbers, let's try to solve a question on representing irrational numbers. So, in this problem, we have to represent square root of 5 on the number line. So, let's do it. If you remember, in our last video, we concluded that to represent the irrational number square root of n, we need to know the representation of the number square root of n minus 1. So, in order to represent square root of 5, we must know the representation of square root of 5 minus 1, which is square root of 4, and it is equal to 2. So, here is 2 on the number line. The length of the perpendicular must be 1 unit, so that the length of the hypotenuse is square root of 5 units. Now, using the length of the compass as square root of 5 units, we will plot square root of 5 on the number line. This is how square root of 5 can be plotted. So friends, that's all for today. In our next video, we will be seeing a different representation of the real numbers, that is, using decimals. Till then, bye bye.